Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to fix your Gmail password in case you have lost your Gmail password or someone who has hacked your Gmail password or stolen your Gmail password. Don't worry, in each condition, you will have to apply a similar strategy that I am going to show you in this tutorial. This idea especially has been recommended by one viewer who has, yes, lost his device. And due to losing of his device, now he has recommended to rescue of this idea. So we don't have any recovery email and recovery phone, so that easily we can rescue of this idea. But of course, we will try to generate more alternative options to the rescue of it, and this can be possible. So we will see live step by step. So don't skip ahead. Every step is going to be a very, very crucial, guys. We don't have phone. So we will prefer to elect these ones. If we elect it, then it is essential that answer as many questions as you can. Second is that use the device whether you have the shining before, then it can be possible to address. And the third is that alternative email or family links if it is already added, then we have the send email to you, the parents to change your password. We don't have these all options. Also, possibility to address code by virtue of it. So what we will do, guys, here, we will try to generate more alternative options here. So just we will cut it from here and we will come in a Play Store. In the Play Store, of course, we have the one browser. So just we are going to here tap on a search bar. Let me once again come in a search bar. So where it is here, this one's. Now we will tap on here. That is, yes, right here. Via. Just we will write here the browser. And yes, it is very fast and light browser. So just we will go for installation. So now tap on here to install. So it has just started to install. Total size is scarcely 3 MB. So it's installing. On the other hand, two changes that is very crucial. Hold this G browser. Here we will have option that is especially help icons or app info, you can say. In there, what we will do, guys, here we will come notification, check it out that if it is allowed, then because of that we are having the problem. Just we will go for blocks and thereupon we will come the permission. See here, if it is enabled, then of course we will have to make it disabled. Because of that we are having problem here. Just we will close this precise location, then we will click here. So take any smartphone, apply a similar strategy and see the result, and then you will very often that how easily this can be. So if you are having this kind of problem, don't panic, guys, just go with the similar strategy. So just we will back here, and here we can see set as a default. So we will have to, yes, tap on it, and here we will have to make it off and make it clear default 2-3 times. And here, remove the permission if app is unused. So this permission has been also fully stopped. So just we will close now. Once again, we have the another browser also. We can see here that is a Chrome. So check it out how in the browser you are using. On it especially you will have to apply this strategy, except that you recently you have downloaded. So just we will go for on here off, and we'll have to come the permission off, and we'll come the especially I'm in here, and we will make it, we'll come the locations to the customize the precise location off and click on here. So it's essential that if you deny this permission, basic feature often that won't be a functional. So no problem at all. Both especially I'm in a browser, we have the blocked and the permanently terminated. Now we will come on here, not the permanently for time being, so especially we have terminated. Now we will use this, and here on this especially we will click on here, and simply we will have to write a Google, and we will go especially by tapping on here, and tapping on here at the corner we can see here is a sign in sign in we will have to tap, and here this is the ID that we would like to rescue. So let's see. Yes, now this is actually this user was very worried especially. So now let's see, is it possible or not? Yes, and this can be possible. We will go for forgot password, and we are trying to, yes, have the more opportunity to especially rescue of it. So just we will go for try another way, and when we tap on another way, this is especially United States, the verified number, guys. So what we can here, yes, in this viewer, it means, of course, basically from the United States. So now here, now we can see here is a clear the message you couldn't sign in or couldn't sign you in. That it means it's not notifying that you are a genuine owner of this especially or genuine user of this device, because you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really yours. But yes, this can be the possible. Answer as many questions as you can. Yes, use your device sure you have the sign in before, and third, the alternative email or family links. But fourth option is also given here. More tips to other rest of this account. So of course, we would like to have the more tips to other rest of this accounts. If we use this direction, that can be possible to other SQL without having the recovery email and the recovery phone. How it is possible? Don't click on a try again. Yes, just we will come on a especially setting. So let's tap on a setting. We will come to setting to, of course, we will go the inside of it, and inside of it, what will happen, guys, here? Just we will have to come in a Google services and the preferences. So when we talks about the Google service and the preferences, where it is here, Google service, just we will click on here. When we click on here, then here is a corner 3 dot, just we will pick this help option. So now we are taking here assistance of Google's or Google Assistance, you can see here. Just we will have to type here hacked Gmail recovery we would like to. So maybe someone is using or anything else, and that's why. So we will have to make the excuses, these things, and here is that secure, hacked, or compromised Google accounts. According to the recommendation, of course, Google has assisted that you can. So now here, what we will do here, just tap on review your account activities, and here is option that find out if your account has been hacked. So just we will tap on it, and when we tapping, then yes, you would be landed here on these tips and especially account recovery page. So just we will click on these tips, and when we tap on these tips, then what will happen here, guys? Check it out, the confirm that we are on a recovery right page or not. So where here it will show you that create a replacement Google accounts account is second is that about getting logged out of your Gmail accounts. What if I can't? Yes, I still can't sign in. Of course, this can be possible to other SQ. Just tapping on the recovery page, because of we are on a right recovery page now. Directly we come on here. Within one click, this ID would be notified that which one you would like to especially rescue of that. So just this is the ID that we would like to rescue, and we will click on an X, and we can see clearly it has. Welcome to you guys. So how easily this can be the rescue, guys? So just I'm saying you apply a similar strategy, and you will believe so that magically, of course, this can be the rescue without having the recovery email and the recovery phones. Now here, don't click on a continue. Directly we will have to come to update password. So we will have the strong opportunity to create here. There is giving options that create a strong password, confirm the strong password, and go for save it. After saving it, of course, firstly we will have to go add their alternative email, because family links or any alternative email was not added. So firstly we will add that, and by getting OTP on alternative email, of course, we can easily remove the phone number, and then we can add a new phone number. So this ID will be permanently and fully secured and recovered once again, guys. So further we cannot so use, because this is a privacy concern of my viewer who has recommended to other rest of this RA. So this is all about, and thank you for staying the till end of this tutorials. Yay. This is a technology fan. I will be back with a step by step with new tutorial. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content, because this is the things that really inspires to make such as informative tutorial that's maybe needed for someone who is of course having this kind of the challenges or facing this kind of the challenges, and then only it's really supports the channel also, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.